Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, hello. So it's been a while since I uploaded any video. Sorry about that. It's just been a heck of a month. But yeah, and also my background is different. Of course, I'm not in vacation in my other house anymore. So yeah, that's why it's like this. I might put more things in the background and things like that, but anyways, so as you can already tell by the title, I'm gonna be reacting to BTS Airplane Part 2 Japanese version. When this came out, I literally wanted to see it so bad. I was like, I'm gonna react to it, but I never did it. But I never actually watched the video, so this is good. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, here we go. Oh, is that beat? Hey! Oh, yes. Oh, Jimin. Oh my gosh. Oh, they still got the mic in there? Oh, Jimin wrecking me like always. Oh, did you just smile? Oh, Tay! Beautiful. Ooh. Oh, yes. Oh, love. Oh, love this. Yes, RM, get it. Ooh, my bias record juice. Oh, yes. Yes, get this. Ended up. Ooh, those transitions though. Those outfits though. Wait, did you have a hat? Oh my gosh, yes. With the hat, yes. Oh my god. Oh, they look beautiful. Finger stop. Okay, stop. Ooh, V stop. Ooh, all of y'all stop. But don't. Here we go. Yes. J-Hope, your sunshine and everything else. Oh yeah, that was so slick. Oh, be in a hat. Yes. Oh, still goes. Ooh, that was nice. Ooh, yes. Oh, stop. Oh. Yes. I love like the house. Like it literally reminds me like of a Mexican house, a Mexico house, or like from why. Oh, it's raining now. Yes. Oh, Jin. It's raining though. Stop, JK. Don't stop it. Oh my gosh, he's just casually just walking. Oh my gosh, I love that. I don't know, it reminded me like the background, like where they were, the location. It reminded me like in like Mexico or like probably like Spain or some parts over there probably, because like the houses are like really like cool and like colorful or whatever, or like anything like that. Oh, I love that. We can already tell we already love that song, and then Japanese kind of awesome as well. The wardrobe, the stylist did a good job. Oh yes. And then their hair, because of the like idol and all that. Oh, perfect. And also I checked, and it's actually about to be 2 weeks since this came out. I thought it was a week ago, and it came out 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks ago. Nice. And what I've been missing this for 2 weeks. Nice. Great. But yeah, oh, love that. Whoo, I'm going to like, I don't know. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Oh, love that. Thank you for watching. I will do more reaction videos. So if you see me with this like the same shirt or anything, that's because I filmed it the same day. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. And see you in my next reaction. Peace. Would someone welcome you? I will welcome you. Oh my gosh. Please don't answer me.